How to delete cover photo in Facebook Lite. Welcome to How Logical. I'm up with another quick and easy tutorial video on how to delete cover photo in Facebook Lite. Start by launching your Facebook Lite application on your device. Click on your profile picture located at the left to enter your profile section. In the profile section, locate and click on the photos option. These are the visual stories you have shared on Facebook. Go through your photos and find the specific cover photo you want to delete. It's usually in the cover photos section. Click on the cover photo and you will notice 3 dots at the top right corner. These dots are key to more options. Click on those 3 dots revealing a menu. Among the options, you will find Delete Photo. To bid farewell to your cover photo, select Delete Photo and confirm your decision. Your cover photo will now be permanently removed. Return to your profile and you can see your cover photo has vanished, giving your profile a fresh, updated look. So this is how you delete cover photo in Facebook Lite. You can choose a new cover photo if you want. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.